In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch an Asana project to board view and organize tasks in Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and head to Asana. Sign in with your usual credentials so you land on your home or recent projects page. Using Chrome helps ensure everything looks and behaves consistently with what I'm showing here. Next, open the project you want to convert. You can click it from your sidebar, your recent list, or use the search bar if you have a lot of projects. Once you're inside the project, take a second to glance at the top left area of the screen near the project's name. This is where you'll find the view switcher, which lets you change how your tasks are displayed. Click the project view drop down at the top left, and depending on your current layout, it might show list, board, or another view as the current selection. When the drop-down opens, you'll see different ways to look at the same tasks. Choose board. As soon as you select it, Asana will switch the project into a board layout. Now you're looking at your tasks as cards inside columns. Each column often represents a phase or category, like to do, in progress, or done, though your project may use different labels. The great part about board view is its visual clarity. It's easy to see what's moving forward and what's stuck. From here, you can use drag and drop to organize work. Click and hold a task card to pick it up, then move it to the column where it belongs, and release to drop it. This is perfect for reflecting status changes, grouping similar tasks, or simply improving readability. If you misplace a task, just drag it again to the right spot. Asana updates instantly, so your team will see the new arrangement without needing to refresh. A couple of quick tips as you organize. If a task is high priority, place it higher within the column so it's more visible. Dragging tasks between columns typically represents a change in status, not a change to details like due dates or assignees, so you can safely tidy the board without affecting those fields. If you don't see the view dropdown, make sure you're actually inside the project and that your browser window isn't too narrow. Resizing the window or zooming out can reveal the controls. Also, if your role has limited permissions, some controls may be hidden by your workspace settings, and that's it. You've logged in through Chrome, opened your project, switched it to board view, and used drag and drop to visually manage your tasks. This simple change can make your workflow clearer, faster, and far more collaborative.